After entering the content, next step is to configure the parameters for laser engraving. To adjust the parameters, follow these steps. Select the content, since we have just worked on the text part. Now look to the side. Marking parameters. Click to enter this section. Find a fill option, click on it. It will allow us to designate the areas we want to engrave as black. In other words, if the area is black, the laser will only carve into it. After completing the laser engraving process, the engraved areas will be recessed. These four factors are speed, power, frequency, and the last one is pitch. All four factors will influence our laser engraving and ultimately determine the resulting effect. The speed can be set from 1 to 2000, with smaller numbers resulting in a deeper and darker laser engraving effect. We can use 1000 as the baseline value. If the engraving at 1000 is not deep or dark enough, we can set the number to be smaller than 1000. The power can be set from 10% to 100%. The smaller the power, the weaker the laser engraving. We can use the baseline value of 50%. If the engraving is not dark or deep enough, we can adjust the power upwards. Remember not to exceed 70% at the highest, as higher energy levels correspond to a relatively increased consumption rate. The frequency can be set to 30. The frequency range is from 1 to 600. If engraving is intended to create indentations, always use 30. The higher the frequency, the higher the numerical value. The energy produced by laser engraving is more concentrated on the surface, making it less likely to penetrate deeper. After introducing speed, power, and frequency, there are one more parameter called pitch. When we zoom in on the object, we can see that it is composed of many crossing lines. This pitch can be adjusted according to our needs. The default setting is a line density of 0.03 within the lines. The denser it is, the darker and deeper the laser engraving will be.